What's good in the hood, people? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna do a little well, check it out. I'm gonna do this type of product right here. Ready? Haha. There it is. It's right here. I went to one of my local stores and then I found this thing right here. The AirSpace adjustable laptop desk. You could use it for your laptop anywhere you want. Like, let's say you go to work, no table, you just set it up on like some kind of surface, like a chair maybe. If you're sitting down, you just sit there comfortably just on your lap. And it's not touching your lap, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I'm just opening it and I'm gonna show you guys what it is, alright? Let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, then damn, I just lost some money. Alright, let's go. Kids, don't do this at home. This is dangerous. I'm bad, I just woke up. Alright, and there it is. Let's see. Anything else is in there? There's that. Alright, so this right here is basically for your mouse. That's what I'm thinking. Everything is plastic, so I got this for like 25 bucks. On eBay, I saw that it was like 15, but those are for like the low quality ones. Maybe it's just the same quality as this. Maybe I screwed myself over, but whatever. What the heck was in here? Alright, and the desk itself. It feels pretty nice. It feels like it could handle a lot of stuff, maybe. Like those heavier laptops. Who uses those heavy laptops anyways? So let's test it out. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Hopefully it is focusing. There you go. Let me show you guys that one more time. It comes with this cord right here. I think this is for the fan. The USB. I don't know why my nose is like acting up. So far so good. It looks nice. Let's see. Let's try to adjust it. What do you do? What's the instruction on this thing? I found it. On a flat surface, I did that. Face tray to a 90 degree. Oh. Haha. This mechanism right here, you got hold it like that. It says pull. Pull. 90 degree angle. Which way? Alright, so this thing. Ah! Sorry, what? I should call in a professional, okay? I'll be back. Hello, this is my professional right here. It says I have to pull it out 90 degree angle. This is the mechanism, but I can't do it. Right? Let's see if two hands are better than one. I'm trying not to like break it.
Ha!
Oh, nice. How'd you do that?
Yeah, push it.
All the way?
Yeah.
Until you hit a click? Okay,
push
awesome.
it and then...
Oh, nice. There you go. Thank you. Ha. You're so smart.
Wait, how do we do this one? Same thing?
Oh, I think there's a button right here. One base leg at a time outwards to a 45 degree angle. 45 degree? I'm bad with my angles. Psych.
Okay, how about...
Oh, sorry. How you do that?
I didn't do anything.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, duh. We're gonna break
Go.
it. Ah, nice. Nicely done. Yeah.
Wow.
Two heads are better than none.
Okay.
I mean one. Now, let's see. Number 4.
Lift the AirSpace into stand position with the base legs facing
you. Nice.
Wow, there you go, people.
Oh. There you go.
Oh, you can't even see me. That's how it looks like.
It seems pretty stable right now. It seems like it's built pretty good. It's not really wobbly. Oh, this is a lot of work. All right, can you guys see that? So that's how it looks like. I'm gonna put a laptop on it to see how it goes. All right, so I have a full-size 15-inch laptop. Right, let's see if that's gonna work. There. Wow. At least it fits perfectly, kind of. Not really, I still have a lot of room. I believe you plug this one into your computer. The computer like so. And the other one, where is... I think it's right here too. Bam. There. Plug that in. Voila. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on real quick. this looks pretty cool. Does the fan work? I can feel it, but it's like not that strong. Okay, I feel it right there. I'm gonna have to back up the camera, but after I do that, let me try to put this thing. Where are you? Okay, back into this thing. Oh.
How about if I move this, you pull up?
I pull up? Oh, good. Okay. Oh, so that's what it's for. Bam, see that? Good thinking, honey. Put this back on.
This is height. This is how tall you want it to be, or how close you want it to be.
Alright, last but not least, this thing. You can either put it on this side or put it on the other side. Since I'm right-handed, I'll put it on this side. Boom! That's pretty dope. You could mess around with that, do that. That's not bad, huh? That's not bad. Alright. Hopefully you guys like that reveal. If you guys ever seen one, it's actually pretty cool just to have around the house, you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like it makes everything looks like more nice, more sleek, more like business worthy type of, I don't know. If you guys see it, you guys like it, pick one up. If not, it's alright. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in my video. Hopefully you guys like that video and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. So everybody, be safe, take care. I'll see you in the future. Deuces, Yaramin,